Today I'm going to talk about what is Web 2.0.
The Web 2.0 wave.
Tim, please put to rest once and for all your definition about Web 2.0.
I think this is the primary trend.
This is a picture of culture. It's a culture where people participate in the creation and the recreation of their culture. In that sense, it's read-write.
The way everything is changing is unbelievable. I mean, everybody's going to be consuming content everywhere and in different platforms. And the people that controlled it, newspaper, television, and radio, are no longer in control. And that is a huge factor that people have not totally wrapped their head around.
Web 2.0, I think, is really the big bang.
The website page is controlled by not the people who made the company, but by the people who use the page.
Okay, Web 2.0 is the understanding that the network is the platform, and on the network as the platform, the rules for business are different. And the cardinal rule is this one: users add value.
Collaborating. You can comment on what they're saying, commenting. You can actually publish things yourself. The kids now, they can comment, they can publish their own stuff, they can put their own videos, their own thoughts, their own just take on the world, which is really great because it gives a different perspective. It's not just stuck on just the adults or the specialists being able to put the information out.
Users are learning how to communicate directly to other users, as opposed to publishers communicating to the users.
And it's important to emphasize that what this is not what we call, quote, piracy. I'm not talking about nor justifying people taking other people's content in wholesale and distributing it without the permission of the copyright owner. I'm talking about people taking and recreating, using other people's content, using digital technologies to say things differently. These tools of creativity have become tools of speech. It is a literacy for this generation. This is how our kids speak.
With Web 2.0, media is much more of a conversation as opposed to a lecture.
This artificial distinction between a consumer and a producer is dissolving. I like to call this the idea of the participant economy, as opposed to just the consumer economy.
So I'm just here to tell you about Web 2.0, and this is just basically the next generation of the web, of the internet, right? It's just the new stuff going on. It's a whole new ballgame.